Alright, so now it's the next day, it's Friday before Carnival, and I'm talking here with my mom. We have some errands to do. And we pass it, we have some old mass, we'll catch some of that later, but we're just doing 1 or 2 errands. Ma, you was telling me this is where
right here, your grandmother to sell.
Yeah.
But it's all there, all this wasn't there, so we could have walked in.
Okay.
So she occupied a
Thank you.
6
Yeah.
by 6.
6 by 6.
Yeah.
Right here, the corner, Prince and
Yeah.
Frederick, they used to sell. With my grandmother.
And for Carnival, we used to make a counter and sell oranges. And I used to be peeling the orange and selling it.
I'm selling it. Look at that, history. See, Woodford Square, that's the corner there. Real connection to town. My mother is a real town baby.
We live in Woodford Square.
We still in Woodford Square, you see the cathedral behind us there. Today is Friday before, so it's Old Mass. So they start here, and I think they make their way up to the Savannah, but that's later on. Long time Carnival. So you'll see the traditional mass. Where it is midnight robbers, jab, that the Blue Devil on them. Yes, fancy sailor. You go see the Indians, the Apache Indian. They just have the woman, the burrikit. We're seeing people starting to get ready, so I'll show you. Very traditional. This looks like a young group. This is the fountain. So you used to be playing in this fountain, right?
Yes, it used to have the water flowing from on top.
Yeah.
And it used to be full. And we used to jump over here.
Yeah.
And run around. Put your hand in the water and run around.
Memories.
Yeah.
A troop, a young Moko Jumbie. The kids so young and they're so good at this. So bats, right? What school this is? St. Anthony's, okay, nice. Nice. So you said we could take a little jump up in between? Maybe?
Maybe. Like the boss person, go ahead.
We went and we get market and whatnot, and in that time, much more of the old mass bands have come down to Woodford Square. So I'm going to go over and we're going to see some old-time traditional mass. I'm so excited to get to see this. Some people say this is real mass, but back in the day it had themes that everybody used to dress as, and you'll see it now. Now, as always, Port of Spain, especially where I am, is very historic. For my family, as my mom talk about living right in Prince Street and selling stuff right there, to the old public library, the Hall of Justice. There is the towers, the fire station on the other side, the Red House. So there's a lot to see, but today's about mass. This is Blue Devils, Jump, Tribal. So we're in Port of Spain, and it's so good to see schools from all over. I saw from La Romaine, which is down south by Gulf City, and in Barranco, where I'm from, it has a band and they're doing rope jam, and those guys are really whipping the ropes and they're hearing it. So it's really cool to see the entire country represented here. This is it. This is traditional mass. It's really nice to see them keeping this part of the culture alive, because you know the mass today, like the Monday and Tuesday mass, they're a bit more salacious. We get to have this for the kids. And this is not even Kiddies Carnival, this is traditional mass. Kiddies Carnival is tomorrow. And let me head back because this is a lot and I get hungry. They will now leave here and walk up to the Savannah. It's kind of a long walk, but we hope to have the energy. Friday, now it's in the night. I have some hot foot nieces. That's them there. We're going back in Flava. Apparently Machel's supposed to perform, we'll see. Yeah, but it have way more cars, way more crowded tonight than the few nights ago. So let's check it out. So if you can see it, that's Flava in the background there. And this is like to go inside Flava. Straight up. So we'll see. We can hear and we can see the stage, you know. So I'm not sure if we're going to go in. And we can get food and things right out here. Alright, so we got in here. We were able to kind of shimmy in the line. I'm sorry for the guys who line up quite from the back, but we're in.
Stop all households, can do it.
to cut it off. There's a lot of people here. All of those people on the outside listening to the Machel, listening to the fete. It was really good, you know. Say what you want. Machel brings the vibes. He really puts on a show. Drones in the air, spell out on cork, nice vibes, nice energy. And they put up screens out here for people to watch. You're gonna go down in the avenue and try to get something to eat. Although we come from a place that have a whole set of food. So after the flavor party with Machel, we come to Hassan's on the avenue to get something to eat because we're hungry. Look how crowded the place is.